I've recently turned 41, so to mark the occasion I've decided to write 41 songs in 41 days, and on my birthday I got this as a present. It's a Stylophone, the original pocket synthesizer. So let's get cracking. I'm thinking that the best place to use this first of all is a melody break. I think the first thing I need though, an outline of a song and then kind of flesh the song out. I'm just looking through some ideas on my phone. I've got this note saying rise and fall now. It's making me think of like ups and downs. That could be quite a thing to write about, because you could have a chorus just saying life is full of ups and downs. So I might start with rise and fall and then like try and figure out different ways of saying upwards motion and downwards motion, and maybe things about leveling out. Now I know it's not perfect, but I think I might have a bit of a chorus thing going on here. So we've got B minor, G, A to F sharp 7. Life is full of ups and downs, but I know that you can level it out. And life is short, you can turn it around. Cause you know that life's just ups and downs. I obviously want the chorus to lead into the Stylophone melody. I'm just going to say that's the riff and see what I can do with it. I bet I can make something quite nice out of that. So I think I've got like a riff that I want to go throughout the verses, because this implies the chord tones and kind of accentuates this kind of harmonic minor scale that's going to be in this. So I also think this is going to lead into the main riff. This riff is going to be like I think the rhythm of things might change a little bit as the song starts coming together, but it's good to now go into the recording process with things in mind that I want it to be. So maybe I should start actually programming some of this stuff in now and start putting some of this song together. So I've mapped out the arrangement that I think is going to work in Pro Tools. So now I'm going to start by putting together some drums. I'm sure these kind of things will change as we go, but I've got the drums all sorted, I think. So we've got... So let's add some bass. Now I'm just tempted to think, should I do this as a programmed in bass or actually play it? I'm guessing it's going to be better to just play the freaking thing, to be honest. So let's have a go at it. I think I've just got the bass line done. I've obviously taken far too long on it, like I always do with these kind of things. I feel like, you know, I actually want to put some of this stylus stuff on it. Okay, so I think I've got the Stylophone bits recorded, like the main lead line. I just realised how long I've been working on this. I've only got an hour until I have to set off to work, because I haven't started, you know, doing lyrics at all yet, and never mind all these other bits that I had in mind that I wanted to do. So let's have a look, see what I can do next. So I'm thinking about adding that riffy kind of guitar. I think I might have left it a little bit too late for the vocals, to be honest. So I'm going to try and do the chorus vocals now and then see if I can just come out with something in a verse section, even if it's just a line or two. Okay, so it's actually the next day. Last night I did some work on the track and just like played around with the instruments and just leveled things out and things, and I really liked it, so I thought the vocals and lyrics just weren't good enough. I'm not going to spend ages on it. I'm just going to tweak a few things just to get it to, you know, just be a little bit better. The finished song is on the screen now. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you tomorrow.
The sun in the night time, the light fades fast, but these moments pass. I'm feeling around, I'm so sick of the